Hey, Courtney here with OTB Tax, and I want to talk about something super fun, which is tax code. So it's typically not fun unless you can save money in taxes. So one of the tax codes that I want to talk about, it's very, very old, hundreds of years old, and it's called conservation easements. And a conservation easement is typically where you would buy land and give it to the government. So most people understand that as like a right of way for a utility company, or you have state parks that were actually given away to the state or to the you've got national parks that are given away to the nation in order to receive a huge tax deduction. So many people are like, well, why would somebody give away land to the government? And the reason why they do is because there's a huge benefit to it. So that's the hard way to do it. But there are actually programs that are put in place that can allow you to take your money, and put it into a program or a fund for that matter. And what that fund does is they buy land and give it to the government. So it makes it a little easier for you. And by doing a conservation easement, you can typically get up to, and sometimes even more, a 4-time multiple on a charitable contribution. So what does that look like? That means if you put in $25,000 into a conservation easement program, and now I want to first and foremost say, stepping back, is that if you are not making more than $300,000 to $400,000 a year as taxable income for you, this is not going to be beneficial. But if you are making more than that, it is greatly, it's an amazing tax benefit for you. It's an amazing tax strategy. So let's say we put $25,000 in to a conservation easement, and by doing that, we get a $100,000 tax deduction as a charitable contribution. And if you're at a 35% tax bracket, that means you're saving $35,000 in taxes. So the difference between $35,000 and the amount you put in is $25,000. That's a $10,000 savings for you. So that's why a lot of people do conservation easements. It is a huge, huge deal, guys, and a very valuable strategy for you to go along with. Now, there's some massive other strategies that you can implement along with this, but here's the thing. There's not another program or strategy that I know of that you can put in place that will allow you to put money into something and receive a 4-time deduction for that money. So this is huge for you if you understand it. If you're in a greater than 25% tax bracket, then we need to definitely discuss conservation easements and how it can benefit you. Now, I do not do these conservation easements. This is not something that I offer. I can connect you with a financial advisor who can set all of this up for you, and you would actually have to go through a tax attorney. So he will take care of all of that. But I just want to help you understand that there are strategies out there that can save you even more money. You just need to understand what they are and get connected to the right people to help you have a more relaxing and less taxing life.